Welcome, I'm Jason with Cerakote. Today we're going to talk robotics. In this video, we're going to discuss how to change the backup batteries on the FANUC controller. So what you'll need is a flat blade screwdriver for the panels on the controller face, 5 D batteries, and 4 C batteries. We're going to start with powering the unit up and enabling the purge. Once that 5-minute purge cycle has completed, then we can change the batteries. This is a very important step because if the robot is not powered up completely, you will lose all of the coordinate memory in the system. So once the unit's powered up, we can begin our next step.
Begin with a flathead screwdriver and remove both flathead screws from the panel. Set the panel aside, pull out the battery tray and begin removing one battery at a time. Once all 4 batteries have been replaced, we'll move to the next step. Battery direction may be referenced by the stickers within the housing. Reinstall the servo encoder battery plate and gently torque the screws. Be cautious not to over-tighten them. Twist and remove the single battery cover and replace the battery on the purge control panel. Next, remove the large battery cover with your flathead screwdriver. Begin replacing one by one each D-cell battery on the purge control panel. Reference the image inside of the housing for battery orientation. Reinstall the battery plate cover on the purge control and gently torque the 2 flathead screws. And that wraps up the backup battery replacement on your Cerakote robot.